We're almost at the border of the Land of Iron, Lord Raikage.
Phew, finally.
What's this? Who are you? I know you're there! Show yourself!
Boss, this guy's Kakashi Hatake. See that mask?
I know that much. What does a leaf ninja want with me? Are you a messenger from the Hokage?
No. Today, I have come to ask a favor, sir. Naruto Uzumaki of the Hidden Leaf would like to ask a favor of you. I was hoping you would consent to hear his petition.
A favor? Enough. You there, talk.
Sasuke Uchiha, I want you to revoke the sentence against him.
What are you?
I know it sounds super crazy, but this is the only way I know how to say it. Sasuke's my friend. I can't just stand by and watch my friend get killed. Plus, I don't want Sasuke's death to become the cause of war between the Leaf and Cloud. I don't want either my comrades or yours to seek vengeance.
Let's go.
Please, I don't want any more wars of vengeance.
We will dispose of Sasuke. You will all just have to learn to live with it.
Please, I'm begging you.
This conversation is over. Let's go see Darui.
Please, wait a moment.
What is it now?
Right here and now, this young ninja, no matter how awkwardly, is bowing his head in his affection for Cloud and Leaf, village and nation. Lord Raikage, as one of the Five Kage, what think you of this?
Ninja ought not lower their heads so easily. Action and power are what ninja respect. In negotiations between ninja, conciliatory gestures are taboo. The history of mankind is a history of war. Those who are weak are trampled. You bow your head for a criminal and beg mercy to keep your comrades safe? That is not considered friendship in the ninja world. Leaf brat, think more deeply what it is you ought to do. The ninja world is not so indulgent as to suffer weaklings.
Excuse us.
Naruto.
You, the Five Kage, are assembled here today in response to Lord Raikage's summons. I am Mifune, and I shall preside over these proceedings. Now let the Five Kage Summit commence.
There's no time. Let me tell you why we're here. I've summoned you all in order to question your loyalties.
This is very sudden, Raikage. Don't you think that is an exaggeration?
You're shameless, Tsuchikage. You're the most suspicious of all.
What was that?
Leaf, Stone, sand, mist. The Akatsuki is composed of rogue ninja from all your villages. I have proof that among you, there are even those who have actually utilized the Akatsuki themselves.
Utilized? What do you mean by utilize the Akatsuki?
You're Kazekage, and you know nothing? Or do you deny that the sand has previously made use of the Akatsuki?
Currently, the 5 great nations are stable and at peace. We're all turning away from arms production towards Of course, there are risks that come with that. If a war were to erupt suddenly, who would fight?
So one way to avoid that risk is to have a mercenary force, such as the Akatsuki handy, eh?
They go into battle for a very low fee, and they've achieved excellent results.
Don't get high and mighty with me, Tsuchikage.
What is it, Lady Mizukage?
We've come this far, so I will simply say it. There definitely is some question as to whether someone may have been manipulating my predecessor, the 4th Mizukage. And it's possible that that someone was the Akatsuki. I hesitated to mention it before, but now...
Your village too? I tell you, they're everywhere.
Before we begin arguing with each other, I have something to report to all of you.
What is it?
The Akatsuki's leader is probably Madara Uchiha.
Huh?
It's hard to imagine, but this news comes from a reliable source.
I thought he was long dead. So, he really is a monster, huh?
Let me say this from my standpoint as the leader of a neutral state. The Akatsuki have been and will continue to be a threat to all of us. However, we can turn this misfortune into a blessing. It's a rare thing for all the 5 Kage to convene in one place. So how think you? Until the Akatsuki can be disposed of, why not form the world's first allied ninja force of the 5 great hidden villages?
A splendid proposition. We are practically in a state of emergency. Cooperation is key.
That seems acceptable. However, to whom do you propose handing the reins of this allied force?
If the Honorable Kage handle this matter on their own, it will only end in fighting. Therefore, allow me to propose a solution. The only remaining Jinchuriki is that of the Leaf's 9 tails, and I feel that how he is guided will be the key. Also, an ability to work with differing personalities, ages, and national origins will be necessary. Personally, I would suggest leaving ultimate authority over the allied ninja force in the hands of the Hokage. What do you think?
What?
If it's agreed to, then I will accept this mission.
Please, wait for a moment. Lord Hokage, please show us that right eye that you keep swathed in bandages.
Who on earth are you?
I am called Ao, and I am here as Lady Mizukage's attendant.
Well, Ao, what do you mean by asking about Lord Hokage's bandaged eye?
I found myself uneasy during the proceedings, so I took the liberty of using my Byakugan on the Lord Hokage. What I saw was something I had fought long ago. the Sharingan of Shisui Uchiha. Shisui's visual jutsu put its victims through phantom experiences, thereby manipulating their behavior.
Hokage! Don't tell me you use this jutsu on Mifune to turn this situation to your advantage!
Lord Hokage, you may be able to fool the others here, but my Byakugan cannot be deceived.
You!
Well, hello there!
Hmm?
Hey! What now?
Sasuke Uchiha has invaded this place. I wonder where he could be. Time to find Sasuke! Yeah!
What?
What's he doing here?
All right, the game begins. I wonder who'll be the first to greet him.
I never thought he'd come to me. See, Darui, let's go!
What's wrong, Lord Kazekage?
Sasuke Uchiha. I need to see him.
Issue a level 2 battle-ready state alert. We must aid in the search for Sasuke.
Yes, sir.
Kid, I'm gonna teach you the fear of true fury!
Mission start.
Lord Raikage, Sasuke is in the hall up ahead.
Right where we want him. Forward!
The path seems to be blocked.
They probably left a trap of some kind.
Be sure to keep Sasuke in your sights. It's unavoidable. Take down the weaklings ahead.
Lord Raikage, go back. I'll handle this area.
Silence! I must have revenge for my brother. I will settle this with Sasuke. Underestimate the Raikage! Do not underestimate the Raikage! Teach you the fear of true fury! Liger Bomb! The weak will be crushed beneath my feet! I'll teach you to fear true fury! Do not underestimate the Raikage! Teach you the fear of true fury! Liger Bomb! I'll turn you to dust! I'll obliterate you! I'll teach you to fear true fury! Lariat! Lariat! I'll turn you to dust! I'll obliterate you!
I see you're reckless as ever with your strength.
The weak will be crushed beneath my feet! Do not underestimate the Raikage! Teach you the fear of true fury! Liger Bomb! I'll turn you to dust! I'll obliterate you! I'll turn you to dust! I'll obliterate you! Do not underestimate the Raikage! Feel the fear of true fury! Liger Bomb! The weak will be crushed beneath my feet! Do not underestimate the Raikage! Teach you the fear of true fury! Liger Bomb! I'll turn you to dust! I'll obliterate you!
I see you're reckless as ever with your strength.
See, Darui, with me! Destroy Sasuke! Do not underestimate the Raikage!
I thought it was about time you showed up.
Kid, I'm gonna teach you the fear of true fury!
Wait, Raikage.
I don't recall asking for backup.
I wish to speak with Sasuke. Please give me some time.
There is no time. If you want to talk, do it while we fight.
Sasuke, do not be so obsessed by hatred that you escape into a world of solitude, or else you'll never be able to return.
Stand up! I will end this!
Mission complete.
So you're still alive. You're a stubborn one.
Still.
Sasuke Uchiha. His heart is already...
There's no need for you to interfere further, Kazekage. Sasuke is my prize!
I can't allow that. Sasuke and the Akatsuki are not just the hidden mists problem.